Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be seeing how to do a back post double crochet. In my last video I have taught you how to do a front post double crochet. In today's video we will see how we to do a back post double crochet. So let's get started. I will be using a 5 mm crochet hook and a standard medium weight yarn of size 4. So let's get started. We will start with a slip knot. So for slip knot you will go like this and pull up a loop. If you are watching this video for the first time, I will paste the link to my beginner tutorial, the very first one, which will tell you how to do this slip knot and the chains. So we will go ahead and do 12 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So this is our chain, and if you don't know how to do a chain, I will paste link to the first video in which I have covered this in more detail, how to do a chain. So now we will do first row of double crochets, and we will start from third stitch from the hook. So 1 2 and 3. Wrap the yarn around your hook, insert the hook in the third chain, wrap the yarn over and pull a loop. At this time you will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, then yarn over and pull through the next 2. This is the half double crochet. We will go ahead and do the complete row. I will see you at the end of this row. And if you do not know how to do a double crochet, I will do it one more time slowly. Yarn over, go through the next stitch, yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. I also have a detailed video on how to do a double crochet. We'll paste the link in the description box. Do try to follow. I will see you at the end of this chain. Alright, so we have completed our row 1. You can see we have at this time 10 double crochets. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and this is the chain 2 that we turned skipped at the start of this row. Okay, now we will do the second row where we will actually start the back post double crochet. We will chain 2, turn our work, and this is the first double crochet you see right here. So this is the first one. We have chained 2 on top of it. You see this is a straight. Now in the next double crochet that you see here, we will work a back post double crochet. So you have to yarn over from the back, insert the hook like this so that you have it, the whole stitch is inside that, the loop is on this, and then you will yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through the next 2. So it The stitch is same to what is a half double crochet. The only difference is how you insert your hook in the double crochets. So for the normal one, we generally go from the top. For the back post and front post, we go in this post right here that you see. So we'll show it one more time. Yarn over, from the back, bring and around this post, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through two, and yarn over, pull through the other two. So this is called the back post double crochet. So we'll do it one more time. Yarn over, come from the back through the post and go like this. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, and yarn over, pull through the remaining two. So this is back post double crochet. I will go ahead and finish in all the remaining posts that you see here, and I will see you at the end of this row. So here we are at the end of the row. This is how it looks at this moment. Let's start row 2. So we will do 2 chains and turn our work. In the next post right here, we will do a back post double crochet, yarn over, from the back bring the loop in front around the post, and then go ahead and do a yarn over and pull through the loops. So I will go ahead and finish row 2 and I will show you how this is looking. So here we are. I have completed 4 rows of back post double crochet, and if you see, and I will show you how the front post and back post look like. So they fairly look similar, but once you use them in combination, you can create wafer stitch and basket weave stitch with front post and double post combinations. So in my next video, I will show you how to do a wafer stitch, and then we will also see how to do the basket weave stitch in the following videos. Thank you so much for watching this. Please like and subscribe my videos. For supporting, and thanks for watching. Happy crocheting.